We'll put the dark, depressing songs here in the middle of the set.
Okay. That's a good way.
It's Tish Hinojosa.
Hi.
Gone off in the pitch black dark to work the morning tower. He's halfway to the highway and he won't be back for hours. His tail lights down the gravel road, you watch him round the bend. Nothing's on the TV, but something's in the wind and it makes you crazy, and it makes you blue. It's a restless feeling, and it's nothing new.
Listen to the buzzing of the June bugs and the flies. The sink's all full of dishes. You might just let them lie. You might just pour yourself a drink and sit outside a while. He won't miss the whiskey. He knows it's not your style, and he don't care enough to even wonder why. You fight off his fumbling hands with daggers in your eyes.
Time sure flies when you're having fun. Wasn't it just yesterday you turned 21? Does it still matter what you might have done had you tried? His bird dogs in the wire cage are barking at the moon. Turn the covers back and hope the dawn don't come too soon. Draw the shades to keep your dark eyes from the glare of the vapor light. But the sheets are cool and empty, and you won't sleep tonight with a half moon rising and a warm gusty breeze blowing from the southwest, whispering in the trees.
Tires makes a hollow whining sound, and it stretches on forever through 1,000 little towns with their stores all dark and sunny and their flashing yellow lights. Nobody sees them passing in the fury of your flight. You'll see them later, some other self-preservation. What can you say?
Time sure flies when you're having fun. Your mind's made up now and it's all said and done. Flying down the 4-lane with the morning sun in your eyes. Thanks. I'll switch guitars here.